Mining is a mining farm, and we also do some mining as a service. We do the turnkey service for our clients to operate, to maintenance.
Hi, I'm Bryan Colligan from Alphagrowth, and today here we're at the Blockchain Connect Conference 2019 at the Starfish booth. I'm here with Anssen of Mining.
Yes.
Anssen, how are you?
I'm great.
Anssen, I'm awesome too. Tell me about Mining.
Yeah, we're talking about Mining. I'm the project lead from Mining. Mining is a mining farm, and we also do some mining as a service based on we do the turnkey service for our clients to operate, to maintenance, to providing some computing power to help the blockchain more decentralized.
Awesome. So do you sell miners, or do you sell space, or are you hosting provider?
We do a turnkey from help you selling the miner, help you get the miner, and help you to get the miner hosted at our facility.
Okay.
And you are basically commissioning us, and we are on the same ship to gain the profitable ability of the Bitcoin mining.
So you do Bitcoin, do you do Ethereum?
We do a mainstream cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, Dash, Monero, and so on.
Nice. Cool. So is it all GPU mining, or do you do ASIC mining as well?
We do half and half. Half ASIC mining and half GPU mining. We integrated both.
Okay, so
facilities.
All right, so I got an Ant miner, S3 Ant miner.
Name it.
Do I send it to you, right? Or can I purchase it through you?
Yeah, you can purchase from us because we do have the direct distributing system.
Awesome.
From Bitmain, from InnoSecond, from eBond, those big manufacturers from China.
Yeah.
So we will provide a very discounted price for you.
Gotcha. So I buy the miner, I buy it through you. You're gonna host it. You're gonna do managed service.
Go do the first service.
Now, do you take a commission on the coins, or do you take cash, or how does that work?
We take the monthly subscription that consists mostly the electricity fee and the 10% of maintenance fee. That's all.
Gotcha. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And so you're here today. Who are you looking to reach out to? Who are you looking to meet?
We are looking here at a very fascinating conference. We're happy to be here. We are mainly meet our old and new friends, and to gain a lot of knowledge of what's going on in current stage of some public chains, some of the present subjects, and we're working with. So we can help more with some of the new projects to distribute their computing power, to make their project more decentralized.
Yes.
And we providing the infrastructure and the fundamental space and data centers to helping them. That's
awesome.
how we got to do.
If people want to reach out to you, learn more about your product, how would they do that?
Please do reach us at umining.io, and we have Telegram group and some of the Discord channel, and connected with some of our current miners. Join the miner tutorial programs. That's all you gotta do.
You heard it here, guys. Anssen of Mining, white glove service for your Ant miners. umining.io. Thank you, Anssen.
Thank you.